Well, I guess bowling balls can't be the excuse this week. Well, we've returned to Earl's Place. I grew up bowling here. This is one of the bowling centers I've bowled a lot of tournaments at. So it's kind of nice to be back. Things have changed. Had a lot of local tournaments, or I guess local to me. A lot of places that I grew up bowling at lately. So it's kind of cool coming back after a little bit, especially after quarantine. Glad to see these bowling centers are still alive. I'm late to practice again. My house in San Francisco took about an hour to get here, so I didn't anticipate that. I knew I was going to show up late, but I think it's good to just watch sometimes in practice session instead of going in there and bashing your head against the wall if you can't figure it out. I typically don't practice for too long anyways, so they look really tight. Okay, we finished practice, and I think I'm hitting a lot of balls with 500 grit. They're very tight. Obviously, practice doesn't mean a whole lot, but it gives you an idea. The variables are telling me that I need more surface. Not looking at the length of the pattern as much, but just watching what my balls are doing and understanding what's out there. Lots of surface. So pitch black looks okay. RCX1 looks pretty good. I'm thinking later in the block, trend might be pretty good too. So we'll see. I have an idea of what balls I want to throw tomorrow, but we won't really know what's going to look good until we hit practice. So we got a 4 p.m. Pro-Am. I don't think I'm bowling the Saturday night Pro-Am because I am back where I am from in California, so I'm going to spend some time with family after we're done qualifying tomorrow. But it looks like this is a junior Pro-Am, so it should be pretty fun.
You will get a chance to bowl with 3 pros this afternoon. All right, your names are on for your 10 minutes of practice.
Through it. What's your pre-shot routine?
Okay, so you get the ball and then you bowl.
Okay. Simple, I like it.
Yeah.
Let's see it. He grabbed his ball, he's going to bowl. He's doing everything he said he would do. Is it good? We won't talk about it. We won't talk about it. I mean, you're gonna be in it. You're already in it. It's because you didn't want to be in the video.
Let's see how he handles the pressure. He only has to get 9. He hits the one in the front. More than likely we'll get 9. Here we go for the 11th shot. He's got to push. Oh, lucky hit! You'll love to see it. Let's go! Look at this. It's at the front 11. You got this?
Yeah.
He's got this. Easy. What we want to see. Boom! Tentative hit. Let's go! You're a beast. An absolute monster. Have confidence. He said he was going to put it there and he did it. We got another one working. Another one. Boop. Oh, he walked it off like he knew it was a ring 10. Here we go for all the marbles.
Oh yeah.
All the cheese. Do you have it?
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Now I want to hear yes.
Yeah.
I have this.
I do
300's
have it.
in my grasp.
Yeah. Third time this game.
Introduce yourself to the people that may not know you. They probably don't know you yet.
My name's Nihal. I am 15 and I've been bowling for 8 years.
All right. I was expecting I'm going to be a PBA champion one day.
Yep.
Yep.
Hopefully more than once, for sure.
Hopefully. I'm sure you will be. You work hard. You're pretty smart. Yeah, you're getting your feet off the ground with junior gold.
Yep.
So that's good.
Oh yeah.
What are your goals for this year?
For this year, I
For the
want.
rest of the year.
I haven't shot 300 yet, so I want to shoot 300.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't shot 300 yet.
Okay, that's surprising to
Yeah.
me a little bit. Well, you just did in the Pro-Am.
I mean, I shot a no tap 900 before, so.
Okay, nice.
And with the no tap 900, I shot a scratch 600. So it was strike 9, strike 9,
So you
strike.
just don't have a sanctioned one yet.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
you shot 300. That's good enough in my book.
Yeah. I want to do good at junior gold this year for sure.
All right.
I kind of fell off last year because I didn't practice a lot.
Okay.
I'm gonna start a practice routine.
I mean, last year was a tough year.
Last year was a tough year. Get into a practice routine, do good at junior gold, and I'm going to main event next month, so I hope I do good there too.
All right, hopefully I'll see you there.
Yeah.
If you need me to ball rep, I only charge $1,000 a day.
Only.
That's nothing, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, anyways, look out for our boy, Nihal. He's gonna be a superstar one day.
I hope so. Thank you.
Alrighty, just wrapped up the Pro-Am. We're gonna go get some dinner. Anthony came back to come chill and eat some food. It doesn't look like it's open. I'm pretty sure that used to be it. But we're gonna keep walking and see what's over here. Tomorrow we bowl 8 games. They're gonna cut to the top. Ooh, I don't know. They don't have 64 entries. It's normally 16 based on 64, so it might be 12. Either way, we're gonna be soft and safe in that top 12 number. At least we're planning on it. I think keys to success tomorrow will be surface. Gotta have enough surface. And if you don't, then you're gonna have a hard time. The ball, I think, needs to slow down. And I saw a lot of people, their balls were in the hook phase the whole time. It didn't look like a fun time. Yeah, we'll see. It's a good thing this vlog comes out after this weekend, so people can watch it and be like, oh, that's what I need to do? So, I don't know. Those are the keys
to success for me. I don't know about Anthony.
It's kind of the same thing. Just don't throw it. Don't throw it right.
Because I told you.
Okay, maybe I got some tips.
I do think urethane's in play.
It's in
for sure.
play.
I think it's actually a really good option.
It's probably the only option for like the first game.
We'll see.
I don't see reactive coming in that early.
It depends on the reactive ball, I think. Angles just have to be in front of you. That's the bottom line.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is the end of the vlog, but in case it is, we'll see you tomorrow for qualifying.
Peace.